Alright guys, I hope you guys did enjoy that little quick clip. That is pretty much what I had saved up for my Z. Currently the Z is down, engine is out. Unfortunately the engine was actually going bad. My piston rings were actually going out, so I actually sold it because someone wanted the motor still, so I sold that. Sold the trans. I'm getting a CD09, so that's what I'm gonna get. What else? So I'm buying another block that's like a knocking motor or whatever. I'm just gonna get it built. I already bought some heads with some cams in it, but the cams that are in it, I don't want them because I'm building my motor. I thought I was gonna just get another low mileage motor and fucking just send it like that, with some cams. The cams, they are JWT C8 cams. Obviously the most aggressive cams you can run on a stock block DE, but I am trying to go like C9s or something like that. But if you guys are interested, any DE owners that are looking for some cams, they're brand new, shoot me an offer, bro. I'm not gonna sell it for the same price as you would buy it online, so I'll probably do it for a way cheaper price. Hit me up on Instagram at King Clev. But yeah, the car will be down for a year. Honestly, the main reason why I could have really kept driving the car, the main reason why I stopped was because it kept overheating, and it was really just a radiator. But I had a daily at the time, and I still have the daily, and I was like, you know what, fuck it, let's just drop it down, let's just build it. I kind of regret doing that. I could have been still driving it because my daily is my RSX Type S, and it's like, yeah, it's fun, but I still need that, that oomph. But it is what it is. I'm glad I showed you guys my wins, my losses. It is good to show everything, man. You don't have to be scared to show your losses, man. That should motivate you, so all those people that we ran, those are good friend of mine, like that Maxima. It's a good friend of mine, Gerson. That's a beast, man. And for him to do us dirty like that on a low compression motor, like the motor was hurt, like it was bad. So he has the same setup as me though, the high ram and everything, but still that goes to show those Gen 2 motors are nice. I was actually thinking about trying to do that, get a Gen 2 or Gen 3 DE from the Maximus, and then swap them into the 350, but you'll kind of lose power steering and AC. As far as AC go, in Texas it is hot as fuck over here, but I'm still contemplating if I want to keep it or not. I don't know. I'll decide when I put the motor back into the block, to the engine, to the car, sorry. But from there, yes, I am going fully built motor, high compression. I did speak to my tuner. He came like last week. I spoke to him, told him what I want to do. Yes, I am still keeping in my car NA. So I'm building it to a higher compression ratio. I don't want to spill the beans of what I'm doing. Not just yet, until after this done. Because right now I'm still stuck in decision mode of what I want to do. One day I'll say I'll do this, the next day I say I won't do this because it's so it's like, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. You guys let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for your support. Thank you for 300 subscribers. I've seen that. That is just amazing. I thank you guys so much for that. Yeah, I don't know, the build's gonna take a while because I got so much going on, family stuff. I am traveling out the country, but yeah, the motor probably would take a year to build. I'm trying to build the motor myself, actually. Me and my homeboy, we're gonna try to build it ourselves, get a machine shop to take care of the machining and everything. But putting the motor together shouldn't be too hard. I will get help for timing because I don't know how to do that timing shit. But that is that. The cams I am getting custom. I was thinking about doing C9s, but might go custom grinds. Might possibly go custom grinds. It will cost more, but I wouldn't have that much of a problem because it is a non-rev up, and I don't have to really worry about like VVEL or what rev ups and HR it has. If you kind of overdo it with the cams. I don't know if I'm explaining that right, but yes, just can't wait. Now the crazy thing is, what is my goal with that car? Like I did say, I am going to keep it NA, but after I do NA and I'm done with the NA, I'm going to throw some nitrous on it. And after that, you know, maybe years later on, if I want to go boost, the motor is built, it should be able to, on E, because remember I'm doing high compression, it should be able to hold. Yeah, that is that. The goal on that car, I'm not gonna lie, this is a big stretch, is to make 400 wheel horsepower. And I know that sounds dumb as hell. You talking about in a DE, how is that possible? How are you gonna gain 100 wheel horsepower? High compression is one. You also need good flowing heads. You also need some really good cams. Your intake setup, it has to be good. Your exhaust setup has to be good. So I'm about to go all out with this. It's gonna be an expensive build. Is it worth it? No. Do I want to do it? Fuck yeah. What are you talking about? I want to do. I want to do it. Everybody keep telling me do this, do that, boost it, man. Just leave it like this. Look, it's my car. I want to do whatever the fuck I want to do. Let me spend the money I want to spend. If I regret it later on, let me learn my own lesson, right? You know, just do what you want to do, you know. But yeah, shout out to everybody that helped me with that build. Shout out to the people that gave me the right information. Yeah, I'm ready for this. Kind of will be MIA for a while because of trying to work and trying to get that that motor up and running. Now I will probably spill a little beans. This might be true, this might not be true. I wanted to obviously do a high compression build, stock displacement, or this was gonna take the longer. I cannot talk, sorry. This is what would have taken a longer time. My friend has a VHR bottom end. Obviously it doesn't fit on the DE, but the crank, he was gonna lend it to me for free, and I was willingly going to take it to someone to actually see if they can get me to custom machine the block for it to fit, for the thrust bearings, the bearings, all of them, and then custom rods and pistons to fit on the DE block. That's one option, but that will take a long time to do, so I most likely won't do that, because the crank that he gave me, he's willing to give me, is from a seized VHR, so I don't want to risk that. So yeah, so you guys let me know in the comment section below what you want to see, man, because I really like seeing underdogs beat the normal guys, so I know I've been rambling my mouth a lot, but it is what it is. Stay tuned. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Go check out my last videos. That 350Z versus the world, it was a beast, man. I'm sad that I took everything apart and sold most of the parts. I still have the manifold. That manifold is staying. I am going bigger throttle bodies, bigger intake. Obviously bigger isn't always better, but I'd rather overdo that on that part than underdo something. But you guys let me know in the comment section below what you think. I appreciate you guys so much. You don't understand how much I appreciate you guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace.